The Naviate command object from network is used to export pipe network objects to primarily 3D solids, but it can also be used to export to various line objects. The command starts by either selecting the objects to export one by one, or by a spanning label. Alternatively, if an entire network is required, then select one object from each of the networks to export. Then press Enter to continue. The first option in the dialog is to select whether to export only the selected objects or the entire network of the selected objects. Multiple objects can be created at the same time, and it's possible to choose which objects will be exported by using the tick boxes. 2D line and block will have 0 elevation. All lines will be individual lines from each pipe object. 3D solids will be individual solids from each pipe and structure. The tick boxes can be used to add pipe and structure labels. This will add pipe and structure information as text with the exported objects. Select what layer the objects will be created on, or let the command create the layer from a property set or from the pipe object style. At the bottom, select to export the created objects to a new drawing. Then select Erase the created objects from the file. Otherwise, the created objects will be added to the original drawing as well. At the bottom, set the path and name for the exported file. Then click OK to complete the command.